Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can log into multiple Roblox account or how you can easily switch between your Roblox account in your browser. So go ahead and launch your web browser and go to roblox.com, log into your specific account, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll get the option of switch account. Go ahead and select it. Now select add account option. You'll be navigated to the Roblox Add Account page. You need to enter the credentials for your secondary Roblox account and then click on Login. You should now see that your second account has been successfully added. And to switch between your accounts, you can tap on the gear icon in the top right, select Switch Account, and select the account that you want to switch into. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.